me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me free this feeling. Oh, someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Oh, someone help me free this feeling. Someone now help me see it. Oh, help me free this feeling.
I see that you're hurting. I see that you're down. I see how every dream returned, came back to call you out. Was ready to rumble, was ready to fight. Got lost in the thunder, without alibis. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. I'll be there both night and day. Until the stars have fallen onto the ground, I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Now the pages are turning under the clouds. Got used to the hiding, now you're feeding the doubt. Let me show you the silver lining, how to tame them and then to ride them. Cause you weren't meant to be caught counting days. That's not your place. Shout at the night, rage at the lies. Don't let the fear control what's deep within. Oh, oh, oh. Until the sky has fallen, I'll be around. I'll be there night and day. Be there both night and day. Until the
Dumelang, Sanbonani. Hello, hi. Welcome back to my vlog, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, a warm welcome once more. If you're new, please stay, please subscribe, please don't forget to like, comment, and share the video, and continue to watch and become part of the family. It's a Saturday evening, guys. I think I'm coming down with flu or something. I've had a runny nose, or a congested nose. So I hope I don't get the flu again, because wow. I was hoping to get into Discount, but now they are closed. I thought Bakwalaka 5, it's 4:15 at the moment. So I'll just go into Woolies to get something to make Sunday lunch for tomorrow. Come with me. Yo guys, it is so cold. Okay, it's not freezing, but it's super cold. It's cold, and in flu. But in any case, I started feeling this way yesterday. So it's not about today. So I just need to go get something to eat now for the kids, and then head home and rest. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I always forget to say that line lately. I don't know why, but yeah guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me just get something to eat and then head home.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord always. He carried me to shore, held me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank him every day. I will put him first, 'cause he did that for me. He sacrificed himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord forever and always. I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord always. Put joy to his name every single day, 'cause he never left our sight. He showed us the way. Rejoice, rejoice.
Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. It's a Monday afternoon. I just came back from work yesterday. My plan was to actually close off the vlog yesterday, but I was not feeling well. My nose had started again. I don't know what the problem is. I think you can hear from the sound of my voice. Yeah, so I don't know, but I'm just praying and hoping that I do not catch this flu. So yesterday I just went to church, came back, had lunch, took this pill, I took that pill and I immediately went to bed. I woke up at around 6, made something to eat, the one that I recorded with you guys. Nakona, I was not trying to cook the best, you know. I was just trying to cook for the family so that they can eat, you know, Sunday supper, have something for them. And then I just went straight to bed because I was not okay. So today I just came by just to close off the vlog officially. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've been watching till the end, I appreciate you so much. If you happen to click on my video, try to watch till the end so that we can push the watch hours. They are moving in very slowly, and I think they're gonna start decreasing because I think I started posting around this time last year, if not in June. Yeah, so if you can watch as much as you can, guys. I beg. Yeah, so if you can, please watch till the end so that we can reach monetization, you know, so that I can keep on channel guy. So yeah guys, thank you guys to everyone who keeps watching, to everyone who keeps liking, keeps sharing, keeps putting a comment. Really appreciate that. Don't forget as well, if you don't know what to say, just throw in a heart. It's appreciated on this channel, so I would highly appreciate that. Let me officially close off the vlog. See you on the next one. I pray and hope I do not catch this flu. If you are in Joburg, I don't know other provinces or cities, how cold it is around where you are. It's freezing. Tomorrow schools are opening. I am so stressed, and the kids keep saying, yeah, it's cold, but it's not that cold, you know. I'm just worried but let's hope everything will be fine. And yeah guys, we'll chat. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.